Welcome to the MECH Inspect demo. Watch what happens when you open a repair order. The extension auto-detects the vehicle information, and we're ready for action instantly. The advisor enters an intake note, then presses the intake button. This polishes the note and gives me related questions to ask the customer. This is your intake cheat sheet, right there in the panel. Now here's where it gets real. The tech typed a quick note, metal to metal, caliper pin seized, and our polish note button cleaned it up into professional language, ready to publish directly to the RO. Over in the Tools tab, I entered calipers into the job planner. It came back with a labor estimate, a full parts list, and even upsell recommendations. One click, fully planned. And if you've done this job before and you know the AI is off, hit Suggest Correction, enter your real hours. Your corrections help train the model. Scan vehicle history to find related work and maintenance needs. Click Get Service Recommendations, and the system recommends upsells based on manufacturer maintenance schedules and shop history. Copy and paste everything straight into your work order. No manual work, just more revenue. Now watch this. Ford Escape with a P0420. Press Find Fixes. A list of most common repairs and diagnostic procedures appears right in the side panel. They hit the Plan Job button, the technician adds their findings and hits the Polish button. Then adds related work/upsells. The labor estimate is off slightly, so they add a correction for next time. Your shop's side panel gets smarter with every repair. Shop owners can manage labor corrections, curate the canned note and image libraries, configure white labeling, and oversee user permissions in the online dashboard at mechinspect.ai. Here's one that saves your liability: the TSB and recall check. One click on this 2010 Ford Escape pulls active NHTSA recall straight from the government database. No searching, no VIN lookups on a separate site. Each recall is right there with the full description and remedy. Copy it, download it as a text file, or hand it off to your advisor. This is the kind of thing that protects your shop and builds customer trust. Different car, different tab. 2016 Honda Pilot P0446 evap code. MECH Inspect already knows where I am. And look at those saved cards. The P0420 from the Escape and the brake job from the Highlander are both still there. Quick reference right in the panel. That's how you move through a busy day without losing your place. I ran Find Fixes on P0446 and got the full diagnostic breakdown. Severity level, typical fixes ranked by how often they solve it, 5 potential causes, 6 diagnostic steps, customer concern language, safety notes, and tech tips. The number 1 fix, evap canister vent shut valve. I hit Plan, and the job planner built out the whole job. 1 to 1.5 hours, parts list, upsells, and a reminder to inspect the vent hose while I'm in there. From code to complete job plan in under a minute. Last step, advisor mode. Click Sell. The cheat sheet loads instantly. Easily explain the benefits and risk associated with approving or declining the repair. That's MECH Inspect. Auto detection, AI diagnostics, job planning, polish notes, recall checks, upsell tools, all living inside the software you already use every single day.